how to add people in the contact list on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. This channel is created with the intention to provide you with tutorials. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe for more tutorials. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So if you want to add people in the contact list, please tap on the phone application and here contacts, and from here all you need to do is to go on the top right corner and here tap on this plus, and from here, as you can see, now we have the option to tap the first name and the last name. So tap the last name of that person and first and last, and then tap on add phone, tap on the plus, and here you can add a phone number. You can add another number, maybe they have the host or a school or a work phone number. So there's options, a lot of options, as you can see. And also you can add their email, and after, if you want, you can add a default ringtone only for that specific person. This ringtone will start to ring only when that specific person will call. We also have text tone and add URL, add address, add birthday if you want to add a lot of more informations. We also have date. We can also add related name, add social media, and also add instant message. And also you can add a note. This guy is cool. So that's how you do it. Now all you need to do, you can also, by the way, you can add a photo, and now you can add a photo from also an emoji, by the way. You can also add an emoji, which is pretty cool, I would say. So we'll add this cat here, tap on next, choose, and done. Now done, and save, done. And now you have this contact. You just save this contact. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you for taking the time. And if you like this content and I helped you with this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys now in the next video. Take care.